People who no look here. Walker and his brother and 3 transgender. Day night day. Hold the phone. You have to catch this. Where's me have to catch it? Pussy clad. People no look at people. Walker, transgender, and Akeem them.
Skipper, you have the game in your hand, you know, they can't fucking stop you at this point. All those motherfuckers, those scumbags, they have to just hide yourself right now, bro. It's your turn.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon a beat, and as you can see on the screen, this is the most trending video right now in a TikTok, my people, because you know, say it's dealing with, you know, some of the most popular celebrities out of Jamaica right now. Akeem, Rosalie, and Figure It Out. This is my say. Put in the comment section what you got from the video initially, because a lot of people is saying that person you see walking is indeed Figure It Out, who is, you know, making sure the coast is clear. You know what I mean? And letting this boy Akeem know say can forward out with the robots in disguise. This is my say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People, this is what the original creator had to say about the video. He's letting the world know it's a couple months old. So I don't know why they're putting it out now. I don't know if they're trying to let the, you know, the woman them know, say, you know, if they watch out for the DLL them. You see, I mean, you know what I mean? And things, you know what I mean? But yeah, you know, the video was grainy and all of these things. So, you know, a lot of people is asking where's Akeem and all of these other persons. So the creator is saying he was the first one to step out of the elevator. And that's what I thought initially when I seen the person in the black attire. Because, you know, based off Akeem's height, you know, and structure and all of this stuff and the way I walk. That's what I thought. You feel me? Some people said they was able to see their face clearly. Some people said, you know, it's the walk as well. You see it. Put in the comment section if you agree with that. But honestly, people, when I did my live earlier on TikTok, you should follow me over this Kingmixup and Kingmixup channel. I was asking, you know, a few questions like, how did the video person, the cameraman, know what time to put the camera through the people? You see me, because I look like a good hotel and it don't look like no flimsy wall and all of them stuff. But the person say, I am woman. They spot them and call him and all of them thing. Them didn't want to catch them outside, but he was late. You see me, I say, I'm not going to read out all of these comments for you. I can press pause and read them on yourself. But a lot of these people is basically saying that, you know, them can't see Figure It Out come out of the stairs. And, you know, Akeem are the one coming out of the elevator with the robots in disguise and all of these things. You see me, I say. So, I mean, it's not no secret. You know what I mean? Because, you know, we did the download series of Dancehall, and, you know, one Naya gang did tell we about Snow Diddy and all of this stuff that we been knew about years ago. You know what I mean? But, you know, the thing set is seeing is believing. You know what I mean? Put in the comment section where you think about that. And like I said in the beginning, we just don't know. You see, I say, especially these people who put out these things to get followers and all of them stuff. So that's what Shebada is saying. Basically, Snow is in the video, but Akeem and Figure It Out. It's not that, you know, we are walking up and down with all of these people, you see me? But as me they say, in a one part, downloads of Dancehall, Akeem and Figure It Out friends say whenever Snow them rent, you know, these Airbnbs, they are there. You see me, I say. So I don't know if that was an Airbnb or a hotel or whatever, but whatever. Shebada is breaking down the video and giving his take on the situation, and he's really coming in defense of Akeem and, you know, Figure It Out. You see the video, you see them. Somebody said figure it out, can't hide. Let me look again. Cause that my vision I go, you know. He said that my vision I go, that's why they can't read. Me know me can't read. Oh, maybe for my next video, you want to
Skipper, you have the game in your hand, you know they can't fucking stop you at this point. All those motherfuckers, those scumbag, they have to just hide yourself on It's your turn.
Alright, that is snow, right? Alright, see video, you know. That a day I know this a night, this supposed to be night or same.
People gonna look at Walker and his brother and 3 transgender.
Yeah, try look.
Day night, day. Hold on for me. Yeah, catch this.
Come on, can you keep through keyboard like that if not zoom good?
Where's me happy catching? Pussy clean.
I saw you should see there as if you zoom it up so. As much as how we eat, figure it out, talk truth. As much as how we eat, figure it out. You ever see figure it out with a bag stay so yet? So, pan him hands so many if you can't see. You never see figure it out with a bag pan her hands stay so yet, as much as how we eat the girl. She carry back so, talk truth people. Alright. You see the individual they must say figure it out. She don't walk on her heel back so. The child walk back with you. If you don't watch them pasture. The child walk back with you so. One thing with figure it out is not dropping body. Cause she sure her shape. Remember say she tall, you know. That is, don't do them that. Fear is fear. Fear is fear. Don't do them that. Figure it out, don't carry back so. I don't want to run with that narrative. And everybody still want to run with it. I could never run with that. I could never run with that. That's just not fair. It's just not fair. Don't do that. Don't do that to them. You can't hate people so bad so till you don't want to lie on them. They're not so deep. You hate them wicked man. They might watch your back. Don't say it's she. Do not say it's she. Don't say so. Do not say that. Nothing in the video post that is figure it out. Nothing in the video. Nothing. The one who come up past the stage is not even figure it out that. It's not figure it out that either. And taking consideration, the main thing is, not in a time as this, they would have walked with Shebada. Not in a time like this. Shebada would have to go meet them somewhere else. Not in a time like this. Not in a time like this. What do you mean, let you see? No. I'm not show it for me something. I'm not show it for me something. Not in a time like this. Nothing in the video state that it's the gentleman.
People gonna look at
This is mere mixup.
and his brother and 3 transgender.
Nothing in the video state, so lies.
Hold on for me. Yeah, catch this. Where's me happy catching? Pussy clean. People wanna look at people. Walker, transgender, and Akeem. Bumbuckler.
People too wicked and lie. People too wicked and lie. Them wicked and lie. When I see the bag holding though, at least your nails clean. But Jesus deliver my soul. Mighty God of Daniel. Then when the people really not easy upon the happy. It don't have to be conclusive. It's just not them. It don't have to be conclusive. It's just not them. People just wicked. People just, don't tell no lie on nobody. Let me tell you something. You can't hate people, you know, but do not tell any lies. If you hear, say you hear. Most of we don't like them, but leave it right there so. Not give them more than what they deserve. Them too wicked, man. Them too wicked. The people too wicked. Me remember when them tell lies for me, you know. Oh, and them keep telling lies for me. All Annie come and say me make she lose her work. And Annie, when the man interview her, Annie say, the man say, where is the letter? Annie say she not bring it. What about my baby? Annie says she not bring the letter, and Annie had to interview in her house. Then with the letter for that day, post office. Yeah, that's all the internet want to hear. See them there, so them there, so the boy them are not idiots. So when the boy them a meet, we now know. The boy them are not idiots. So them now go walk up and down with snow now. Them now go everything have to be discreet. If you don't mention papa, them belly them a meet. Don't give them more than what they deserve. So Dan, come here now. Dan, after you walk and defend Rosalie gonna boom Sunday gonna mash it down. Dan, what you have to say? Justify the case here and the cause here. Yeah? Justify the cause here. As you defend Rosalie, you're not even done yet. Rosalie gonna boom Sunday. Eh? Straight up a boom Sunday. Then fair morning take longy, take shorty. As you queen she done mourn. Eh? See they know what they want to do in the court, never do a better favor. I tell you, say favor come from the east, the west, the north and the south. Four corners of the earth, my love. Gonna boom Sunday. You think she never knows that she had a boom Sunday long time all she did that cry? And everybody where she cry and she get money from, say boom Sunday there. Rosalie's just that bitch. Ay ay ay. Of course the child and that marry. I tell you so to justify some careless behavior. Some dirty behavior. I tell you this every day, you know. But I'm tired for talk. Me I leave it right there, so. When you see one gift already homeless and I look on deportation plus sick. Or by Mary J. Blige's Jess. Who says Zandria chat me now? Zandria can't chat me. Zandria chat me say, we have to realize that Zandria not have nothing now going for her now, though. No one understand. Me not look on her, though. Nobody not look on Zandria, man. Nothing now going for Zandria. She just a walk around to pick by everybody's situation. I can't believe that everything where people cuss me about, them fall right tonight. Every day you get up, you sit up by your fridge top, and you're melting people's business. And look how she just a walk around and look content. You're not poet. You're not poet. You should have walk and teach people how to write poems. Yeah? But no. Nothing really not going fully.
Yeah. Unlikely ally. Don't it, my people? You see me? If figure it out and Akeem decide to, talk about the video, we will let you know what going for not going, but I don't think they're going to do such, because they never address no, you see me? But me just still let you know what's trending out there. So know the right thing, and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest though. Bless.